Hi, I'm Phil Wildman from SY Electronics. I'm here today to show you the Apollo 41, which is a seamless switcher with a multi-viewer built in. So first of all, let's see what's inside the box, shall we? So you get the instruction manual, get the unit itself, and in the bottom of the box we get all the accessories, infrared eye, remote control, power supply, some mounting brackets and screws, Phoenix terminal connectors, and power adapters for this is the UK adapter there. There's a Euro one. So we've got the Apollo 41 out of the box. So let's see the functions and connectors that we have. Now let's see what we've got. So first of all, we've got control buttons on the front of the unit and a row of LED indicators which will show the status of the different inputs and things. Got main power button there, and then we've got an infrared magic eye on the front, so if you squirt the IR remote at this, it'll pick up. And on the rear we got our power adapter input. It's got threaded connections, so the captive locking screw type connection for the power, stop it falling out of the rack. Then we've got an external infrared input here to use with the magic eye. Then we have our RS232 control connection, and we've got 4 HDMI inputs. Then we've got our outputs on this end. So we've got our HDMI output, our digital optical audio output, and our stereo analog audio output here. So that's the Apollo 41. So next we're going to connect it up and see the unit in use. Okay, so we've got our Apollo 41 connected to a display. So I've got it set on auto switching mode. So let's see what happens when we connect the sources into the Apollo 41. They'll come up on the display. Plug the second one in and that will come up. Plug the third one in and that will come up, and I'll plug the fourth one in, then that will come up. So we've got all 4 of our input sources connected. So now if I go to the front, we can switch between the sources. I'll press the input button. We'll do a seamless transition between each of our 4 sources. Press again, there we go. So no black frames in between switching, go straight there. So now I'm going to press the multi-view button here, and we'll get some different views up on our display. So we've got one input with picture in picture in the corner. Press it again, we'll get dual view, side by side mode. Press it again, we'll get a tri view, and then press it one more time, we'll get the quad view, when we'll see all 4 of our sources on the display at once. I'm just going to go to one of these other views, the tri view. Now if I do a long press on this button, we'll see what happens. We've got a different tri view. I'll do a long press again, and we've got a different view again. So you can adjust the size of your sources to suit. So I'm going to go back to the quad view, and then we'll do the same thing. See what happens. We get 3 on the bottom, 1 at the top, and then if I press the input button, we can go back to our sources 1 at a time. So there you go, that's how you can use the multi-view feature in combination with the seamless switching. So that's the Apollo 41, available from SY Electronics.